Russ. How you doing?
Hello and welcome. I'm Pippa Gardner.
And I'm Nick Etchells. We will have a lot for you today, including a whole bunch of celebrities, starting with Anthony Collier. We've also got Andrew De Silva, Christy Lamb, Baba, Taylor Henderson. We've got the burger with the lot coming at you today.
I'm pretty excited. I think it's going to be an absolutely top day. Of course, with Dave Butner, president of Toyota. Well, how was that?
It was great fun, actually. It's been a tremendous little car for us. When we launched this car in the Australian marketplace just over 2 years ago, it was the first time Toyota had a real sports car entering the marketplace. And we're actually the third largest market in the world for this car at the moment. Well, today's really an amazing day and a culmination of a lot of work, all volunteers from our manufacturing facility, right across our whole company, in fact. And today we'll have about 25,000 people here, family and friends. We've invited suppliers and their families as well, just to come and showcase this magnificent facility, which unfortunately will cease building cars at the end of next year. So it's a celebration of the success of this plant over so many years, and a celebration, most importantly, for the people and their families.
Donna, tell me about this instalment.
Well, the Art and Industry Festival has been working in partnership with Toyota, who invited us in to get some stories from the workers. As you come into the press shop, you hear the workers telling the stories in their own voices, saying how long they've worked at Toyota. Then you go around the corner and we're lifting a car with a crane while you hear stories of the Toyota workers. It's been a collaboration between the workers, who are the experts on lifting cars and press, and artists who are good at getting the stories behind the machines, who are the people of Toyota. And I think that's what the Open Day is about.
Open Day is a great opportunity for us to share with the families, to share with their friends, to show where mum and dad work or where their son and daughter works, and it really is about the Toyota family.
This is Tony Ashmarla, our assembly shop plant manager. How many years with the company now, Tone?
I've been working for a total of 40 years. Happy 40 years though. Toyota is my second home. It's just we've got a happy team, happy company, happy management, happy directors. What can you ask for more?
I bring my family and I'm working in a chassis. And yeah, it's good.
It's really a fun experience. I could see how hard my dad works and appreciate it more.
Of course, the pointy end of the production process is here on the chassis line. Chris Smith, you've worked here for how many years?
24 years.
24 years. Now, tell me what goes on along here.
Well, the vehicle on chassis 1 is in an overhead position, so we fit all the underbody components, engine, subframe.
What's been the best thing for you about working here at Toyota?
It's a very challenging place to work. The rewards are good when the challenges are there. It's one of the last chances we'll get to show our families through here.
Dave and I are here in the engine dress, and we've got a very special guest with us, Jack LeBon. Jack, what do you do at Toyota?
I am the manager of the production operations on the PM shift.
You started at Toyota the same time as Dave, didn't you? What stories can you dish on Dave? Is there any dirt to dish up?
This could be dangerous.
Actually,
And who works at Toyota?
My son. We've been in the paint. I think it's fantastic.
A critical part of Toyota's production is, of course, the suppliers, and we are here at the divisional suppliers displays, and with me here is Duke and Ho. Good morning to you both. Tell me about what you guys do.
We at Toyota Bosch Australia, we supply seats and interior.
This is one of the seats that we assemble in Toyota Bashuko. This is an export model, and it's a power seat that we make.
For you guys, how important is today?
So I think it's very important to tell all the visitors how our production work.
It's an opportunity for not only my family, but for myself, that to come in and see how Toyota operates.
It's been 11 years since we had an open day here at Altona, the biggest event ever held on this site. The first on the stage, Courtney Mills, representing her father John Mills, with more than 30 years service in the Quality Control Division.
Oh, I'm just a girl, take a good look at me, just your typical prototype.
Next we have Tamsin Nolan, who is the daughter of Michael Nolan with more than 26 years experience in production engineering.
All I know at the end of the day is that you love your love. There ain't no other way, and if there's something I love, a million mistakes, you're the one that I want at the end of the day.
He's a valued team member for 22 years from the maintenance department in assembly shop, Mr. Raymond Lomo.
But I believe in love, and when a bluebird flies my way. Thank you, Toyota.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the stage, Mr. Ricky Gauchi.
And you give yourself away.
We have got something really, like Ricky, very, very special. She's making her second appearance at a TMCA event. Her proud father over there is Michael Allett. Great to have you back. Big Toyota round of applause for Alyssa Allett. Our next performer, ladies and gentlemen, not only the wife of TMCA's Paul Skicko from the Weld Shop, she is the winner of the 2016 TMCA Talent Quest, Minerva Ibarra Skicko.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Well, we're down here at the 4x4 test track where you can come down and see what some of these Toyota four-wheel drives are capable of. Some of it, not for the faint of heart. We've got the Hilux and the Land Cruiser. You can just line up, jump in one, and one of the professional drivers will take you around the course. What did you think?
Yeah, it was epic.
Are you in the Hilux? Yeah. Is that a car you'd like?
I would love one, to be honest.
Have you got one on offer for free?
We're here at the Assembly Division display, and to tell us all about it, we've got John Riley here. G'day, John.
Yeah, pleased to meet you.
You too. Tell me about your division.
I look after the Assembly Engineering Division, and we look after all the equipment in here, both from a maintenance point of view and also development of new technologies that we're putting in.
What do you like most about today?
Oh, look, I think it's a great opportunity for family and friends to come in, have a look at what goes on, see where their partners work. People don't get the opportunity to come through our car plant.
Toyota has its own version of Olympic Games. We call it the skills competition. These guys have been representing us from TMCA, so please put your hands together for the skill contest competitors. We do have some Australian Olympians and Paralympians, so would you please join me in welcoming to the stage Mitch Larkin, Ellie Cole, Jess Fox and Emily Seabold. Here at Toyota we do have our own athletes as well, heading off soon to compete in what's called an Ekiden.
I am looking forward to this year. I think we've got a great team. You can see here, very fit. I think everyone's in the right mental space and physical space to put in a great performance.
Everyone's been really enjoying it though. Really great for sort of making new friends and picking up some extra tips.
Put your hands together for the Olympic and the Ekiden team.
What do you like the most about coming to your family members' work?
Meeting Taylor Henderson.
Well, I am on the couch with Toyota's president, Dave, and of course, singer-songwriter extraordinaire, Taylor Henderson.
Hello, how you doing?
Two #1 albums already under your belt. Jeez, the world's your oyster.
Yeah, it's been pretty incredible. I've been touring all around the country, and I just came off tour, so I'm going to release a third album early next year. But yeah, I thought I'd come down to my hometown, get to play a few songs for everybody.
I can see it now. See it so clearly now. It's gonna happen. Yeah, it's gonna happen now. I can see it now. See it so clearly now. When I see you, I see the future. Yeah, and the best is yet to come.
All decked up, all decked up, all decked up, all decked up. I don't believe I've ever had this much. One thing I've learned when you get to road, time sure flies when you're all decked up. Hey!
What's been the highlight?
The people that are entertaining you have a top day.
What do you think about what you're seeing here today?
Yeah, it's different than when I first came here as a conductor tour. It's got a lot bigger.
And how about you, mate? What do you want to see today?
I just want to see the Bulldogs players.
We're here at the AFL Live. Brian Taylor, obviously, and the big Adam Goods here. Now, AFL's had a long relationship with the Toyota, of course, hasn't it?
They have. Look, been going about 15 years. I think they've been the major brand sponsor of the AFL, which has been absolutely fantastic. I think Adam's been involved for nearly all of that time, haven't you?
I wish, mate. I wish. No, I've been an ambassador now for about 4 or 5 years, which has been great.
Have you guys spotted any talent yet? That's the big question.
Oh, there's lots of talent here, and there are lots of Western Bulldog supporters here as well, Nick. Handball, a photo, whatever you want. It's all happening here.
Oh, it's a great day. Yeah, it's very interesting. So many robots and it's fantastic.
Doing that very interesting. I thought I'd be bored, but I wasn't.
We've enjoyed the entertainment. It's nice to see what happens behind the scenes. Really great day out.
What other company are you going to see this sort of activity in? Couldn't think of it working for anybody else. It's been great.
I'm a little bit sad as the open day starts coming to an end. It has been a fantastic day out here, hasn't it?
It has been an absolutely terrific day. We have met such a great bunch of people, all the families having such a terrific time. You couldn't ask for a better day.
Supposed to have had around 25,000 people through here today. That is immense. Thank you.
And remember, drive safely.